And now, today's dog walk. According to my Google Fit, I walked 4.13 miles. Over 4 miles. What we're concentrating on is the spasticity in my leg. I stretched it before we left. I'm trying to, instead of planting my whole foot down, I'm trying to walk with heel to toe. And I'm trying not to be duck-footed, but I kind of swing around like that sometimes. But that's standard for Irish dancers to stand like that. So, I guess that some of the Irish in me is coming out. Anyway, we're at the Templeton Gap Trail, flat ground. It's over 4 miles that we've walked so far. I walked to the post office and back. It's been September 11th I had the stroke where the entire right side had been paralyzed, and this is 7 months later. March 11th was 7 months later, so a little over 7 months later. And I'm still working on the right leg spasticity. It's a little tight. I gotta stretch it before and after each walk. And it's a windy one. But that's what's happening is I've got to make sure my right heel goes down on the pavement first, and then the toe instead of the whole thing. It's been a pretty calm and peaceful dog walk. I know I got some mail to contend with, but I had a stroke. If you had a stroke and there's some mail that has to be now, well, I'm sure telling them about the stroke helps. I'm gonna try to get new shoes this weekend. It all depends on which Walmart my ride takes me to. If I get a ride, he's not obligated. I'm trying to do everything myself anyway. so that he doesn't have to. Somebody's willing to room with me after a stroke. I'm cool with that, man. We're coming up on the shed that she likes to sniff, because there's usually a rabbit. My legs are sore after 4.5 miles, but that's what they said. They get out there and get therapy, and it's working. They applaud my effort, but I'm really doing it to be uncredited, because I truly know that I can recover fully if I really work at it, or at least mostly fully. It's a windy dog walk, but pretty good. Dog walking to recover from a stroke, and it's helping. Of course, I'm trying to get new shoes, and I gotta get a new mattress, because I'll probably remind the guy. I'll call him up and say, hey, today's the day you order my mattress. That'll help. I think I'll call this 4-mile dog walk, because it is wonderful. She's coming up on the shed, and she'll chase a rabbit underneath that shed, and it'll hide under there until she leaves. And it makes her so upset, because she can see it, she can smell it, but she can't get to it. So it makes her go, ow, howling. That's the way it be. And I had speech therapy today before we left. It's pretty good to. I still don't have enough wind to say a lot, so this will be enough.